Hello, teacher. My name is Giovanna.
Hello, teacher. My name is Hector Hernandez Carro.
Hello, teacher. I am Juan David Lopez Hernandez.
This is our presentation. What you called to do project the environment you were the address of your country.
Okay, before initiating, we must remember this. Caring for the environment is a task that corresponds to all of us, and there are many ways in which we can help so that the deterioration to the planet is less and less. Well, let's do this, Palsmine. Next.
Number 1, start with the awareness factor. It is important to generate a real perception of the situation in our environment. Not only do you have to be aware of the circumstance, you also have to create an action. Next.
Number 2, reuse and don't throw away. Having a sense of reuse is a very beneficial component for the environment since in this way we produce less waste and spend fewer resources. You can contribute by using plastic containers instead of disappoint of ones made from styrofoam. Next.
Okay. We can collect and recycle many materials. For example, metals and paper. Next.
Number 4, learn to ration your recourse. The simple act of turn of the water when you finish washing your hands or turning of the light in a classroom when it is empty are wise to reduce the waste of water and electricity.
Reduce the use of the straw. A straw takes the decomposed in laughing, avoid using plastic things. They only generate more residual pollution. Next.
Okay, volunteer. We just need your initiative and your confidence for caring for environment, or else it's so bad. Next.
Number 7, get the message across. It is important to go from the inside out, transmit the message, and generate an impact of identification on others. Next.
Number 8, stay full. Walking or reading your physical to commute to work, school, and other place will cut down the fuel consumption and burn some calories that is also beneficial for your health. Or you can also take public transport or tree carpool, stop the work when stuck in a jam or at the red light. You can also invest in a full efficient car. Adopting this measure will save the fuel and reduce greenhouse gases in the environment. Next.
Okay. 9, it's conserve the water. We must take care of water as if it were essential for our activities. Okay, next.
Educate. When you future your own education, you can help others understand the importance and value of our natural resource. Next.
11, shop wisely. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Next.
Is shop wisely. For example, don't buy twice the same article. Next.
Compost. When you compost the organics in landfills, they produce methane and other greenhouse gas, which absorb the heat from the sun and contribute to warming the earth. Try to decompose your food and other organic waste. The compost make a natural fertilizer that enrich the soil and help produce healthy fruits and vegetables. Next.
Save electricity. Always switch off the light on or a point C when you walk out of the room or don't need them. 3, to make better use of sunlight and avoid using artificial lights at daytime. Unplug the electronic appliance when you are not using them, along with helping the environment. It saves your electricity as well. Next.
Okay, it's plant at least a tree. It is very important for our environment and our world. Well, it's too late. Next.
Don't send chemicals in or waterways. Choose not toxic chemicals in the home and office. Next.
Use hood bags. Avoid using plastic or paper bags every time you go grocery shopping because plastic is harmful to the environment that takes almost the decompose. Make it a habit to always carry eco-friendly hood bag whenever you go shopping. Hood is a natural buffer that lasts longer and when left unsaid get destroyed on its own without contributing in the environment pollution. Next.
Okay, it's go paperless or use less paper. Basically, reduce your environmental impact. Next.
Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the major causes of air pollution, and the discard cigarette butt litter the streets and contaminate weather bodies. Next.
20. Stay no firecrackers. Fireworks is one of the main causes of air and noise pollution. The chemicals found in craters such as copper, zinc, lead, magnesium, etc. never fully decomposed and have an adverse effect on the environment and put human health at stake. Say no to craters and celebrate the festival and special occasion of life without expanding the carbon footprint. Be a little considerate towards the environment and adopt measures in your everyday life to take good care of it. Next.
Okay, they are listening. Okay, well, now that you know some simple ways to reduce negative impact on the environment, apply them and do your bit and improve the world we live in. You can help in this world with a home, bit for bit. And finally, you will always find a way to do if you want to do it. Next.
Thank you, teacher. See you.
See you, teacher.
See you later.